Experience towards the Google fundamental exam?
We understood where we standing.
That is the
Not
first
just
thing.
that,
That's very
it's like-
important.
It's all
Some of the
basic.
really good
It's basic question actually, but it's tricky. You
Yeah.
should think. Sometimes they ask what doesn't fit into this, and we click, this is the proper answer. We click, but it's actually asking which doesn't fit.
Reverse
Yeah.
question.
Tricky questions are there. Huh?
Basic habits you should follow while writing the fundamental exam. One, you should try to quickly read the questions and try to repeat reading the questions again and again, because your answers are always in the questions. And for sure, you'll always find there are two answers very close to the questions. That's the very important thing. And what I could see is they have changed the examination paper, because earlier we used to have some keywords on dynamic keyword insertion, which was not asked. Most of the question was from conversion optimizer, CPM, CPC, CPA, and all. So first of all, where you people stand and what actually preparation needed to write this examination are different. But whatever the portion we have covered, and to go ahead and write this examination, the very important thing is how well we could give the examination. We learned something. So makes your fundamental very clear. That's very important. And it's just giving a try out of the portion that we have covered to see whether we can still pass or not. But expecting that you will pass is very less. Failure is always something you can expect here. But yes, it gives you a tendency that this is what I got to be like, or this is what I have to prepare, or this is where. And most of the question came from location bit adjustment, mobile bit adjustment, segmentation. So you should play the interface well. You should know how your interface is. That's very important. But I think congratulations to the ladies who passed.
Any things which we need to work on?
How did you achieve it?
Both of them quietly.
And when you are giving the examination for the first time, you should always try to write or appear for all the 100 questions. But I think we're well tried, and the closeness is very important, and you are good with that. And I think Harshit was quite good. I don't know for what reason you got 77 and all. I think you will pass. Okay, but somewhere might be.
I don't know what went wrong.
Yes. But good. It brings a lot of confidence. It tells you that okay, this is how I have to prepare for AdWords. Nice. So I think the next time when you people give it, you will surely pass. And there were many topics that was not covered, but it's just an initial process of to evaluate where do you stand. That's it. Nothing else. Yeah. All.
In account you, how do we stand at 77, 78?
I think it's good. I'll tell you, if at this level you're writing the examination, like we have just covered, let's say 40% of the course completion, 40 to 50% of the course completion, and you're writing this exam, you're trying to appear for this fundamental, and if you're crossing above 60%, I think that is something very great. All right, that's something very wonderful. And below 60% is somewhere you have to try it out. But certain practices also has to be done, like you have to move very fast. Reading. Then even after confirming also, you are still waiting to click on the confirm button. So all this, it could save another 8 to 9 minutes, and you can at least appear another 10 questions for that.
When starting though, that is taking time actually.
Yes.
That's the
Yes.
main reason. After that it will be.
And some questions are lengthy and we have to read
Yes. Yes.
every word which is mentioned there. Only then we will be able to.
So, and very important, I don't know how many of you had prepared with the guide. Did you all go through the PDF file first of all? No. Just purely on the classes, what was taught you. But good. Anyone who has crossed more than 60, or I think you have gone to close to 77, 76, 75, that's good. That's good. So you are much more close. So if the next time when you write fundamental, I'm sure you'll pass it. And when you pass fundamental, you will easily pass search also, because they're very closely intact.
So the two tests, right?
That total 6.
6 are there.
There are total 6. Okay.
We can't jump to the second one.
You can jump to any of the module. You can take it randomly. There is no compulsion that you have to go strategically by fundamental search.
Let's go to finish the fundamental first.
Yes. Then go to search. Then again go to display. That is the right sequence.